Barnes Courtney, performing live here on the CYY soundstage. Awesome. A lot of people want to get their music out there, and you're obviously signed to Capitol Records. How did you get noticed?
I was working in a computer store, and I'd been handing out my demo to anybody and everybody who'd listen.
Oh, yeah?
And a friend of mine called me up and said, Barnes, you'll never believe this, but my friend at fucking agency has picked up your song. He sent it to Bradley Cooper, and it's going to be in a film called Burnt. And I was like, no, it's not.
Does he talk like that?
He does, yeah.
Okay, all right.
These are my lady nails. Pay attention.
Who needs a pick when you have those?
Who needs a pick when you have acrylics?
Until they start
I.
falling off and become very painful,
Like this one.
you were explaining.
Yeah. Lonely shadows following me. Lonely ghosts come rolling. Lonely voices talking to me. No, I'm gone, My mother told me, son, let it be. Sold my soul to the morning. Sold my soul to sweet melody. No, Lord, give me that fire. Lord, give me that fire. Lord, give me that fire. Burn, burn, burn. Oh, 1,000 faces staring at me. 1,000 times I told it. 1,000 voices dead at my feet. Now I'm going. Rolling thunder clapping at me. Rolling tide, come on, rolling. Rolling dice, so dance at my feet. Now I'm going. Lord, give me that fire. Lord, give me that fire. Lord, give me that fire. Burn, burn, burn. Ghosts and devils come calling my name out, lost in the fire. Virgin blood is calling my name out, lost in